But you can also see now the colder air out to the west, which is going to try to work its way in. But overall, it's still relatively nice the next couple of days. It's not until we get to the first of the week that we really bring our temperatures back to where they're supposed to be. So between now and midnight, we'll keep that snow going out through the Berkshires, but otherwise, most of us will be clearing away. Tomorrow morning, we'll start with some sunshine. A little chilly out there, much colder than what it was this morning, but we'll rebound with temperatures up around 40 degrees. There may be a few afternoon clouds that kind of pop up, and then they'll fade away as we head for tomorrow night. And as we head for Monday, Monday starts off with plenty of sunshine. It looks like the holiday is going to be basically dry and relatively mild. So tonight, mostly cloudy skies, clearing overnight tonight, a little on the breezy side as lows drop off 28 to 34 degrees. And then tomorrow, under partly cloudy skies, a little breezy, 40 to 44 is not bad, and with some sunshine, that's not bad either. But with that breeze, it's going to make it feel like temperatures are pretty much into the 30s. Now, speaking of the winds, here's the way the winds look tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We're going to have a southwesterly wind, probably the wind gusts running a 30, 35 miles an hour. They'll stay kind of in that steady category most of the day tomorrow, but again, it's a southwesterly wind, which keeps us relatively mild. But I've got waves of colder air coming in. So as this storm system sits up here and spins, we get a little cooler air tomorrow, and then a little cooler air coming through here on Monday. And each time one of those waves come through, there could be some flurries, but I'm not looking for much. This is your best chance for seeing some snow, and it looks like really just kind of flurries we head for the middle part of the week. So let me break it down for you and show you what happens. Tomorrow, breezy and 44. For Monday, 42 degrees, still relatively mild, but getting a little bit cooler each day. There's those flurries on Wednesday. They don't really amount to much. And then I've got another chance of seeing some flurries or light snow, or maybe even a little bit of light mix Thursday night. It doesn't even look like it'll carry into Friday. It'll be clearing away on Friday. And another chance of seeing some flurries next Saturday. Overall, the forecast over the next 7 days, relatively dry, which is kind of a welcome relief after all the rain that we had going out there this morning. That's the latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wonkum.